Guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use view once feature on the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to use the view once feature on your Android device, you have to open up the WhatsApp app. After that, open the chat. Now you have to select the photo from your gallery. So just tap right here on the camera icon to get access to the gallery. After that, select one photo. Now if you want to send it as a view once feature, so you have to just tap right here on the circle having the one in it. So after that, when you send this photo, you can see that this is view once photo. If anybody will going to open this photo, they will watch it for the once and they will not be able to get that photo back. But be careful, they can take the screenshot as well. Send the view once photos to your trusted one pupil. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.